Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot's new leads object. This powerful feature streamlines your lead management by letting you organize and track potential customers through customized pipeline stages, making it easier to convert prospects into clients. First, open your web browser and head over to HubSpot.com. Sign in with your existing credentials, or if you're new to HubSpot, you can create an account or start a free trial to explore the platform. Once you're signed in, you'll land directly on the HubSpot dashboard, which serves as your central hub for all CRM activities. Next, we need to access the settings area where all the configuration happens. Look toward the upper right corner of your screen, and you'll see a gear icon in the main navigation bar. Click on this gear icon to open the settings menu. This is where HubSpot allows you to customize nearly every aspect of how your CRM functions. Once you're in settings, turn your attention to the left sidebar. Under the Data Management tab, you'll find an option labeled Leads. Click on it. This section is specifically designed for managing your new leads object and gives you complete control over how leads are structured within your system. You'll now see the Create Leads menu appear on your screen. This is the control center for setting up your leads based on lifecycle stage and their associated contacts. The way you configure this directly impacts how efficiently your team can track and nurture prospects through your sales process, so it's worth taking time to set it up properly. Now let's customize your pipeline stages to match your business workflow. At the top of the screen, you'll notice an Options tab. Click on the option named Pipeline. Here's where the real customization happens. You can define everything from stage names to progress indicators, and even set specific criteria for how a lead qualifies based on category or how it disqualifies when it doesn't meet your standards. This level of detail ensures your team always knows exactly where each lead stands in your sales process. By setting up HubSpot's leads object this way, you're creating a systematic approach to managing potential customers that keeps everyone on your team aligned and informed. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.